currency of the world. The currency of Abkhazia is Russian ruble. The currency of Akrotiri and Dhekelia is euro. The currency of Albania is Albanian lek. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghan Afghani. The currency of Alderney is British pound. The currency of Algeria is Algerian dinar. The currency of Andorra is euro. The currency of Angola is Angolan kwanza. The currency of Anguilla is Eastern Caribbean dollar. The currency of Antigua and Barbuda is Eastern Caribbean dollar. The currency of Argentina is Argentine peso. The currency of Armenia is Armenian dram. The currency of Artsakh is Armenian dram. The currency of Aruba is Aruban florin. The currency of Ascension Island is St. Helena pound. The currency of Australia is Australian dollar. The currency of Austria is euro. The currency of Azerbaijan is Azerbaijani manat. The currency of Bahamas is Bahamia dollar. The currency of Bahrain is Bahraini dinar. The currency of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi taka. The currency of Barbados is Barbadian dollar. The currency of Belarus is Belarusian ruble. The currency of Belgium is euro. The currency of Belize is Belize dollar. The currency of Benin is West African CFA franc. The currency of Bermuda is Bermudian dollar. The currency of Bhutan is Indian rupee. The currency of Bolivia is Bolivian Boliviano. The currency of Bonaire is United States dollar. The currency of Bosnia and Herzegovina is Bosnia and Herzegovina convertible mark. The currency of Botswana is Botswana pula. The currency of Brazil is Brazilian real. The currency of British Indian Ocean Territory is United States dollar. The currency of British Virgin Islands is United States dollar. The currency of Brunei is Brunei dollar. The currency of Bulgaria is Bulgarian lev. The currency of Burkina Faso is West African CFA franc. The currency of Burundi is Burundian franc. The currency of Cambodia is Cambodian riel. The currency of Cameroon is Central African CFA franc. The currency of Canada is Canadian dollar. The currency of Cape Verde is Cape Verdean escudo. The currency of Cayman Islands is Cayman Islands dollar. The currency of Central African Republic is Central African CFA franc. The currency of Chad is Central African CFA franc. The currency of Chile is Chilean peso. The currency of China is Chinese yuan. The currency of Colombia is Colombian peso. The currency of Comoros is Comorian franc. The currency of Democratic Republic of the Congo is Congolese franc. The currency of Republic of the Congo is Central African CFA franc. The currency of Cook Island is New Zealand dollar. The currency of Costa Rica is Costa Rican colon. The currency of Côte d'Ivoire is West African CFA franc. The currency of Croatia is Croatian kuna. The currency of Cuba is Cuban peso.